Hello, today we will guide you through how to use HubSpot Academy. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the home page. This is your main starting point inside the platform, and it's where you can access your account settings, tools, and learning resources. If you are already signed in, you should be able to see the HubSpot dashboard right away. Once you're on the home screen, move your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile account. This profile menu gives you access to several account-related options, including shortcuts to other areas of HubSpot. If you do not immediately see the menu open, just click the profile icon once and wait for the dropdown to appear. From the profile dropdown, select HubSpot Academy. This will take you to HubSpot's built-in learning center, where you can find courses, lessons, certifications, and other training materials designed to help you learn how to use the platform more effectively. This section is especially useful if you are new to HubSpot or want to build your skills in a specific area. After you arrive in HubSpot Academy, look for a sample course and enroll in it. Take a moment to browse the available options and choose one that fits what you want to learn. Enrolling in a course is a helpful way to start exploring how the Academy is organized, and it also gives you a better sense of how lessons, modules, and course progress are displayed. If there are many courses listed, it may help to scan the course titles first so you can quickly find a good place to begin. Once you have enrolled, go to Playlist Items. This area helps you keep track of saved or organized learning content, making it easier to return to courses and continue where you left off. It's a useful feature if you plan to complete training over time instead of all at once. Reviewing your playlist items can also help you stay organized as you add more learning content in the future. That's the full process for accessing HubSpot Academy, enrolling in a course, and finding your playlist items. As you continue using the Academy, it can be helpful to revisit this area regularly to track progress and explore additional learning opportunities. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you get started confidently with HubSpot Academy.